Yeah, today morning at around 4:30 a.m. For the Bolmax Pereira expired, and he was admitted with us for the last 2 days following a syncopal attack. Subsequently, he was brought to Goa Medical College after resuscitation at a private hospital. He was doing well. In the evening, he was talking. He was even had his meals. But at around 10:30, day before yesterday, in the night, he received a massive cardiac arrest, and subsequently he was revived again. Then again he had to be put on a ventilator for oxygen support. But unfortunately, today morning at 4:30 a.m., Father Bolmax was no more.
So he's being shifted tomorrow? Not
Yes. His brother was supposed to come in the morning today. He's just come into the wards, and our senior cardiologist, Dr. Guru Prasad Naik, is talking with him right now. And after that, he'll be shifted to the morgue.